Our next story is about a human rights lawyer in Pakistan, or should we say someone who has attracted the ire of the Pakistan establishment to the extent that she and her husband have now been handed 10-year jail terms. For what, you ask? Reportedly for anti-state social media posts. Imaan Mazari has been dominating headlines given that she has been known for defending ethnic minorities, journalists facing defamation charges, clients branded blasphemers. To put it simply, these are some of the most sensitive issues in Pakistan. This is the story of the human rights lawyer, Imaan Mazari. She has been called one of Pakistan's most prominent dissidents. As a pro bono lawyer, she has worked on some of the most sensitive cases in Pakistan, including the enforced disappearances of ethnic Balochs, defending the community's top activist, Mehrang Baloch. She also represented those accused of blasphemy and incendiary charge, as well as Afghans who faced crackdowns by the authorities. Now, Mazari is the daughter of Pakistan's former Minister for Human Rights, Shireen Mazari. Her late father was the country's top pediatrician. On Saturday, an Islamabad court handed her and her husband, a fellow lawyer, 10-year jail terms over anti-state social media posts. For context here, the sentencing came a day after the couple were arrested again as they were heading to a court hearing to face the charges. You know what Mazari reportedly said in court? Truth seems overwhelmingly difficult in this country, quote unquote. And that, in a way, is enough to tell you what her stance throughout has been. In fact, according to a court document, the vocal critic of Pakistan's military, quote unquote, disseminated highly offensive content. Now, she has stood absolutely firm in her resolve, undeterred by the kind of pressure exerted on her, refusing to be silenced, not even by a prison term. We will not back down, quote unquote. That is what she has reportedly said. Her refusal to yield has also led to comparisons with Pakistan's late leading human rights lawyer, Asma Jahangir, which Mazari said is a huge honor and a privilege. Her family has reportedly had to deal with the pressure as well. According to her mother's statement to AFP, it had been difficult for the family to cope with the threats that they were facing because of her daughter's defense of the dispossessed and marginalized, a cause that she said made her proud. In fact, she said, when so many people are suffering, we expect she will also be made to suffer for speaking out against excesses to human rights, quote unquote. That's what she said. A journalist Mazari represented in multiple cases told AFP she proved a constant challenge for the state because she is representing everybody who is directly or indirectly on the receiving end of the state. That's not surprising at all, given this is Pakistan we are talking about. Her work, in fact, has received global recognition. Mazari was honored in 2025 with the Young Inspiration Award by the World Expression Forum for her extraordinary courage, integrity, impact in the struggle for the rule of law and justice. The same year, the UN Special Rapporteur for Human Rights Defenders said the cases against her appear to reflect an arbitrary use of the legal system to harass and intimidate. To stay up to speed with the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.